Gonna jump on the buzz bikes and we're gonna do a tour of Sun Outdoors in Granby, Colorado. Used to be called River Run. This place is huge.
What? Bullet LA!
I think the bar at Sun Mountain Outdoors has been successful. Hey guys, these aren't Riverview.
Ride for show, putt for dough.
You're gonna crash. All right, boys and girls, you know what this means?
We don't have to drive anymore today.
This means we made it to Granby, Colorado, Sun Outdoors. This looks like a pretty new resort. The winters are parking behind us, and whenever we get to our spot and get the slides out, we share a beer. We definitely need our buzz bikes at this place. This place is huge. Nice lots, great park, but we were supposed to have a riverfront view. If they would landscape, we would. Here comes Nick. Here he comes, rolling on through. I have a feeling we're gonna like this place, but I'm not gonna lie. We paid more for a spot that's supposed to be Riverview. Hey guys, these aren't Riverview. You would have to actually cut the brush down to see the water. It'd be beautiful because you get to see the mountains in the background, but that kind of bums me out right there. Oh well. I wonder if we say something to the office. I don't think that's cool. Like at Mountain Falls, when we say ridge view, you get a view, see the ridge. Especially when you're paying $165 a night. All right, camp is kind of set up. We don't really have our chairs out or anything yet, but the inside's clean. It's a little after 3 o'clock. We were gonna go to the pool, but the clouds kind of came out. So I'm gonna jump on the buzz bikes and we're gonna do a tour of Sun Outdoors in Granby, Colorado. Okay, so we're checking out the best lots for you, the fitness center. It looks nice. There were people in the fitness center, but I can tell you this, it's really nice. Very good Nautilus equipment, free weights, treadmills, the whole kit caboodles, nice bathrooms. So we will, oh, there's a bar. What? Look at this. A little putt-putt. We're trying to figure out a good walking trail, but it looks like there's some really nice ones. Here's a beautiful little pond that they've got. Some kids fishing over there. Looks like we could ride our bikes over there. We'll check it out. And hiking trails. We don't even have to leave the resort for 3 days, to be honest with you. I like this. We got a big pool. We've got hot tubs. All right, this is good. This is good. A great little pool area. Okay, yeah, we're not leaving here for 3 days. If they had an on-site masseuse, that would be great. This is pretty cool. It used to be called River Run, but it seems like Outdoor or Sun Outdoors bought it out. Okay, so we passed Winter Park coming up. Very cool. This is freaking nice. That's a big ballroom. Okay, so go this way. This is the event center. So that's basically just the event center. I was wondering if they had kayaks. It looks like they got lots of bikes. We don't need that. We got our own bikes. This place is huge. Cornhole. Oh, sip, sip. It's a sidecar bar. How cute is that? Oh, these are great. Great spaces. You could come. Oh, this must be the indoor bar. Sweet.
What? Bullet LA!
Hey. Is this a restaurant too? Oh, sweet. Sweet. OMG. Are you kidding me? I am so excited. There is a dang bowling alley in the RV park. Oh my gosh. We're like a bunch of kids. Stop it. Ooh, Gallagher. Oh my gosh. Okay. What? Okay. I'm glad we're here for 3 days. Okay, this place just keeps getting better and better. More cornhole in this nice little green grass area. Looks like there's another dog park there. Gagaball. Huh. I have never heard of Gagaball. No foul language. Well, we can't play. There goes our chances with our men. We just went in the event or the welcome center, and we were like, "Hey, is this the general store?" And it was like one little shelf. And she goes, "What'd you say?"
They had Vaseline. Our lips have been chapped.
My nose, actually. Nice little tiny homes you can rent. general store right here. We also found, see that turquoise box? Yeah, that looks like a container full of ice cream. I'll stop the world and melt with you, Gail.
I know. Okay.
The boys are doing their own tour. They found the putt-putt, and they too agree that a tournament should take place.
I told him to put enough money back to buy enough fuel where he could get back to the house. Other than that, I'm going to take the rest.
No, what you said was Nick agreed that we need a referee for you.
I said I can count to 2.
Right. Yeah. I got some money though. You ready?
Yeah.
You think you can take that tonight?
There's a bowling alley too in the bar.
Can't roll
Really?
'cause my shoulder
Well, you can watch because we're gonna bowl.
There you
Because it's badass. It's right in the
I can
bar.
bowl.
You can watch.
I'm good.
Somebody put some money in this place.
This is awesome.
And it's freaking cool.
This
We're
is
still.
what they should have done at
Hope
Mount
we can-
Falls.
Yes.
We have not. That's the only building.
We haven't been in there yet. We're
This-
heading there
yeah.
now. Oh, there's even a cute little mining company. General store. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, there's even pet supplies. And then RV supplies, which is great. Water bottles for hiking, souvenirs. Oh, yum, look. Hey, hey. Household items, cleaning supplies, more camping supplies. Very nice. So you got all kinds of things you can rent here. This is like a little Airstream court. If you want to know where the boys are, look for the Buzz Bike Gang.
We did find them.
There they are at the bar. They opted for the pool bar. Found you.
What are you trying to prove?
How do we go find wine, Mike?
Follow me.
We travel many moons in search
I can't even stand on one
of the
leg.
grapes.
I just did it for like 2 minutes.
Grapes. To the grapes.
To the grapes. To the grapes we go.
I think the bar at Sun Mountain Outdoors has been successful.
Here's the Buzz Brothers.
The best transportation. You passed your house, Skinner.
People call me the Picasso and the town.
So,
Dinner we got spaghetti from when we made it in Sturgis, Alfredo, bolognese, wine, garlic
Thank
bread.
you, Kevin.
Yes. Thank you, Nick.
still trying to make a name. Nothing's
Change.
what I am.
Oh, God.
I was a young troubadour. Ride for show, putt for dough.
You're going to crash. Look at this sunset. Oh, my heavens. That's gorgeous. We are so in love with this Granby park that we are quite frankly thinking about canceling Tiger Run and just staying here. Look at that. So we just had our amazing spaghetti dinner, some good wine, some good music, and watching this beautiful sunset. Look at that. Putting contest next. Game on, bitches. Watch one of my best putts. Okay. Well, I did way better on my first one.
That's going to be a 4.
All right, look at this. Another campsite, another grill station. Hot Mediterranean chicken wraps and sausages tonight. Yum, yum. And the NASCAR truck race. And we decided that we liked this place so much, we're staying another 3 days. There you go.